Welcome to My Chefin'. My name is Chef Fran. This is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today Ian and I are making a steak salad. I know you're like steak and I'm seeing fruit and what is all this stuff? But you know how we like to jazz things up here on this channel. We gotta go. We're going a little gourmet on you here today. We have on deck our blueberries, our gorgonzola, fancy word for blue cheese, by the way. Raspberries. We have our mushrooms that's already cooked up. And we just have our steak that we seared that we're going to finish off on the grill. We have some dark chocolate. We have some balsamic vinegar. And we have some dark chocolate syrup. All sugar-free, this dark chocolate syrup. And we have our spinach, which is our base and our bed. And we can't forget our Himalayan salt and black pepper. Yes, we are going to have a good time today. It's time to tantalize our palates again, Ian.
Yes, Mama, sounds good.
So we'll be back with our vitamin content. Our spinach has vitamin C, E, K, calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium. Our steak has vitamin B6, B12, iron, niacin, selenium, and phosphorus. Our mushrooms has vitamin B1, B2, and niacin. Our raspberries has vitamins A, B6, calcium, potassium, riboflavin, thiamine, and zinc. Our gorgonzola, aka blue cheese, crumbles here have vitamins A, B12, D, calcium, phosphorus, and potassium. Our blueberries has vitamins A, C, K, manganese, potassium, and lots of fiber, and it's a good antioxidant. Our chocolate has our syrup as well as our chocolate chunk pieces, has vitamins B12, iron, magnesium, and zinc. Our balsamic glaze has calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and manganese. Our Himalayan salt has potassium, iron, calcium, and magnesium. And our black pepper has vitamins A, C, B1, B2, B5, B6, E, and K. Real facts. Did you know college students are the fastest growing food insecure population? The rate for food insecurity among them is anywhere between 20% to 50%. See it. You hear that? See it, honey?
Yeah.
You hear that? See it, E?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes. You smell that? Woo! YouTube family, you smell this?
Yeah.
My chef and family, you
That
smell
is
this?
beautiful.
Oh,
Wow.
yes. Smell it, smell it, smell.
See,
Smell-o-vision.
we could smell it. I wish they had smell-o-vision.
Ooh,
right?
This smells good.
It's delicious to smell. But
And we're gonna eat it for them too. Ooh, look at here, look at here, look at the steak, look at the grill marks. Yes. I like my steak well done. I think we're gonna go just a tad bit underwhelmed. For all you people who don't come for me in the comments. Let's pull this off. So I have my blue cheese on top of here. Get it to melt a little bit on my well done steak. So Ian's gonna put his spinach in the bowl. For Ian.
Okay.
He's gonna put his mushrooms that's ready all cooked up.
Good?
Yeah. Give that love. Give that love, love, loving. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Now,
wonderful.
hold on a second, Mom. I'll just clean that up there. Go on.
Okay.
What next? What
Next, you have your Gorgonzola.
Oh, my Gorgonzola. Other words, name for?
AKA blue cheese.
Okay, thank you.
The Italians call it Gorgonzola. So. Yes, it's a bit funky, the salad. It's funky exotic. Think about that. Here, raspberry.
Oh, yes.
Mm-hmm. Now you don't want to break them, E, and then leave some for your
for
your garnish.
Yes.
Okay. And then you want some chocolate. Actually, if you could like break the chocolates with your hand, that'd be great. Like, yep, there you go. This is some good vitamins up in here. What you talking about, Ian? You talking about sometimes you're in need. You got some iron up in here. You need to have that dark chocolate.
They say the dark chocolate's the best for you?
It is, because
why?
It's more from the purest cacao plant.
Right.
You know, before they start processing it, it's like the first part that comes out is a dark chocolate.
Wow.
But they start processing it and adding all that sugar, refined sugar, to make it milk chocolate. And then further than that, to the white chocolate. And then you're going to want to mix your balsamic glaze inside your dark chocolate.
Mix them together first.
Mix them together.
Okay.
So, yes, exactly. That'll help liquefy the thick dark chocolate syrup. Okay. So while Ian stepped away for a few minutes, I decided to get a little decorative. So Ian, close your eyes so I can surprise you with everyone else.
Okay.
You guys ready?
On you.
Look at our salad!
Wow. Wow, that's killer looking. Whoa. Beautiful.
This is our blue cheese gorgonzola steak salad.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna call it. Gorgonzola steak salad.
There you go.
And so here is our balsamic glaze with our chocolate syrup. Here we go. Let's do this. Ooh.
Chocolate syrup. Wow.
Well, it's dark chocolate syrup with some balsamic glaze, and it's sugar-free. Mind you guys, this is sugar-free dark chocolate syrup. Yeah, as much as this is so pretty, I want to get, we have to make it happen.
Right.
That's what it tastes for the people.
Let's give it the college try.
The college try.
The good old college try.
Okay, here we go. Here's your meat. Look at your meat, the way you like it.
Yes. Okay.
Medium rare. So, hold on, so I can get the pretty. Okay, so mine is not like his. He has medium rare.
Yes, I do. And you like yours a little more well.
I do.
That's fine.
I gotta still make it look pretty on my plate now. Again, it's so pretty. I don't want to eat it, but I can't do it to the folks. They want to know how it tastes.
Well, let's see how it tastes. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Yes.
You make sure you eat your spinach, okay?
Yes, Mom. I have to have my iron. I have to have all my vitamins.
Okay. Here I am with my spinach, my blueberries. Oh, I should have really cut my steak first. Wow. That chocolate syrup with that balsamic.
Wow.
steak is cooked perfectly for me.
Me too. Wow. It's got so many different flavors coming at me. Wow.
The blue cheese.
Yeah. Wow. That's all I can say is wow. It's delicious. You gotta try this one. Mama. You gotta try this one. Wow. With the raspberries. With raspberry hitting in it. Wow.
That tanginess from the blue cheese mixed with the balsamic.
Intense.
The sweetness of the raspberry blueberry.
Berries, yeah. Oh.
And that little bitter dark chocolate taste.
Gives that little
amazing.
kick. Yeah.
Of course, the meaty sensation from the umami of the mushroom as well as the meat. This is really good.
Wow.
If you want to do a salad that's elevated, you're having a date night, this is beautiful to make. A ladies' function, this is beautiful to make. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Don't forget to hit the like button. When you do that, you give us a virtual hug. And Ian and I love hugs.
Definitely.
We're huggers. And subscribe. What are you waiting for? Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. When you subscribe, it encourages us. It lets us know that you appreciate what we're doing, what we're bringing out for you, and it just makes us want to come up with more creativity for you. And share. Sharing is most certainly caring. That's what I've always been taught. And so I want you to share.
Be part of our family, Mama.
Be part of the family.
Be part of the family.
And
let me see what you're doing there.
What am I doing?
Let me know what you think.
Okay. Well, let me let you know what I think.
Yes, I want to know.
I'm loving everybody.
That's it. Beautiful.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. Come back and hang out with us again.
Please.
We really enjoy you coming and hang out with us and eating with us visually. We love you. Thank you so much.
Take care. Bye-bye.